Utilitarians, back with me again, Aji Gautama Putrada. I'm your lecturer for operating systems. This is the 10th meeting about virtual memory part 2. In the 7th video, we will discuss about the clock example. So, if you are searching for explanation of clock, you can find it in the previous video. Now is an example. As we said that it adopts LRU and also FIFO. From LRU there is a mark which marks a used bit. It's in the forms of a asterisk like this, and from FIFO there is a pointer, and the pointer is in the form of a pointer. And so we will start the discussion. The pointer always points to the next after the new page. So the new page is here, the pointer will point next to the new page, and every time a new page comes in, it is marked as used. So here again, free comes in, so the pointer goes next and it is marked as used. And here there are no changes because 2 is already inside. And now because it is rotational, the pointer comes to the top and all of them are marked as used. And what happens if replacement starts? So 5 should replace the next to the pointer, so it should replace 2, but because there is a star, it checks the next one. And because 3 also has a star, it checks the next one, and because 1 also has a star, it goes back to 2. And every time it checks a page that has a star, it removes the star. So if it has made a full circle, all of the stars are gone, so it can replace 2 because the star of 2 has been gone, so it replaces 2. So 2 now becomes 5 and it is marked, and the pointer is at the next of 5, which is 3, and the mark of 3 has been removed. And so this is a fault, and 2 now will replace 3 because 3 doesn't have a star and the pointer is pointing to 3. So this becomes 2 and the pointer moves to 1. And so 4 will replace 1, and the star the pointer points to 5, and 5 is accessed again, so nothing changes here. And now 3 should replace 5 because 5 has a star, it checks all of them first, because all of them has a star, it goes back to 5, so it replaces 5 eventually. So the pointer goes to 2, but the star is removed, and 3 replaces 5 and is given a star. And now this becomes 3 and this becomes 2 also, but now with a star because 2 is red and this is 1. And now 5 wants to go in, but 2 already has a star, so it replaces 1 instead. So this becomes 3 and star, and this becomes 2 but without a star because it has been scanned. And lastly this becomes 5 and with a star, and because this is the last one in, the pointer now points to 3, and 2 is already inside, so nothing changes except for now 2 is given a star. So this is the end product. So how many faults are there? Sorry, I'll just complete this one last here. There are 5. So clock is better than FIFO in terms of fault and is simpler than LRU. So it is in the middle between LRU and FIFO. And so that is the end of our meeting. We have successfully discussed about replacement policy, and in overall we have successfully discussed about operating system support of virtual memory, which is the virtual memory part 2. I'll meet you in the next meeting next week. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.